likes abs. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair, was me out of fear.
Good morning. Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. Yet another Saturdays. If you're new to my channel, my name is Karen and I'm a wife, I'm a mom of 3, and I'm based in New Zealand. My vlogs are all about lifestyles, spending time with family, and life is an African mom that lives in New Zealand. So guys, today I am out. I'm going to get my hair done, getting some braids as we get into, as we're in autumn and getting ready for winter. I just thought I'll protect my hair a little bit. I've been doing a lot of hair extensions in terms of weaves, but at the moment I just felt like switching to braids because I'm a little bit fed up. So yes, come with me as I go get braided. It's going to be a long day, but yeah, I hope you catch snippets and enjoy the vlog, and I'll catch you later.
And I go out, that's why they keep talking. 3 years and I'm only just getting started. One song and I got the people excited. Hide it, it's a whole town. It's a whole town, are you ready? Ready cause I'm going steady. Everybody want to lie, they want to fight, they want to get me. Kill me, they want kill me. Tell me why they want to.
Before and after? Yes. Before. Before and after. I'll show you the before and after, guys. Have a look at this. Look at the length. Hi guys, so I literally spent the whole day, guys, getting my hair done, and I'm done now. I'm heading home. I love these braids. Love. This is the French curl. I think I saw a lot of people getting the French curl last year, and I didn't get the chance to get those braids. So got them last year, and then now that we're in autumn and getting into winter, I thought I'll just get some braids. But I love them. I love the length, and they're not too bulky as well, so easy to style for me. So yeah, so I'm gonna be braiding for a couple of weeks, and we'll see how it goes. Heading home now. We might go out for dinner tonight. Depends if my husband is up to it. If not, we might get some food and then eat. We're gonna get some takeaways and then just have them at home. So I'm not sure what the plan is, but we'll see when we go. Once we get home, I'll have a better plan. So yeah, so let's go and let's go home. That's dead there. If you hold it, it's too short.
My shirt wet.
Yeah.
But Mom, it's not. It's my soda wet.
So, hey buddy. Hey buddy.
Mama, I can't see.
It's too dark, Gabby. What are we having for dinner? I wonder who loves Nando's. You know what, guys? I love Nando's, and in particular, I think the Nando's here at Northlands Mall is the best Nando's. So quiet today. Why is it empty? I hope the order is ready as well. Come, Gabby. Come. Thanks. Woohoo. All right, okay. Give me your little hand. Little hand. Pretty little baby.
Where are we going?
We're going to get your food now.
Why?
Do you like KFC?
No, maybe chicken.
Maybe chicken. So we just picked up our order, guys. It's a Nando's kind of night. The girls don't really like Nando's that much. Come this side, Gabby. Careful. So
Mama, can do one.
it's always KFC for these girls.
Hi, Kayla. I can do it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today's a Sunday and we are off to church. You heard it from Gabby. We're off to church, guys, and after church we will do a few errands, a few things that we need to do, and then head back home. Sundays are low-key busy for me, just pretty much housework, grocery shopping, tidying up, and all those things that I can't do during the week. So I hope you enjoy this vlog, and at the end of this vlog, actually, I just remembered we'll do a little bit of unboxing. It's gonna be a surprise. So yeah, we'll be unboxing today, and yeah, I hope you enjoy the vlog and come to church with us.
Everybody want to lie, they want to fight, they want to get me. Kill me, they want kill me. Tell me why they want to try.
Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys. So I just came back from church, and I have been so busy, guys. The life of a mom living in the diaspora. You are so busy. I don't have, like, literally, we don't have home help here, so everything falls on pretty much your household. And you know what, so if you don't help each other as a couple, one person suffers. But I'm so blessed that my husband is just amazing. He supports me a lot. So we came back from church, and we pretty much have been doing a lot of tidying up, cleaning, and cooking for the week as well. So I pre-cook my my meals, pretty much the meat, and then on the day I just do the starch and veggies. So let's get into it, guys. So as promised, guys, well, you've already seen, as promised, but you've already seen. So I'm so excited, guys, that today I am unboxing. So it's part of my birthday. I got AirPods Max. I got this from my husband. I am so excited. I've been wanting this for a bit. So finally he's got them for me, and he wants to make sure that I use this, because sometimes I get gifts and I just put them on the side, but these ones I'm going to be using them. You know, your girl is always in the gym, so this will be perfect for me, working out, good sound, and yeah, even when I go for walks, I'll be listening to this. I'll be using this to listen to my music. So let's unbox. So they're pretty much sealed. I'm just unboxing, and yeah, let's get this out. Guys. I had an option of choosing black or the blue. So I don't know. I thought black was too standard. So I went for the blue. Let's get them out, guys. Guys, look at this. This is cute. They come with a pouch, and you just, there you go. Sealed, huh? Sealed. Nicely wrapped. Took off the pouch, and there you go. They they're actually quite solid, but not too heavy. So they're good. This is the pouch. I'll be using this to protect them as much as I can to avoid scratches. I've got long nails and I wear rings as well, so I'll try to make sure that I don't scratch them, but the pouch will also protect them. when I go into the gym and I decide to take my headphones, my AirPods off, I'm guaranteed that they are in a pouch, they're safe. What else comes with this? Oh, I am just so excited. I am so excited. Charging port, power button, and a little manual, AirPods Max, pretty much just instructions. Turn on your Bluetooth and yeah, pair them up, noise, all the instructions are there. And what else is in here? Just instructions and instructions. And the charger. I'm gonna be hiding my charger. I've got teenage girls here. I've got a teenager. I've got a 13, and I also have a 18-year-old. So these guys also use iPhones, and they've got a habit of taking chargers and making them disappear. So these ones here, I'm going to be hiding them. I'm going to make sure that these are safe so that they don't disappear as well. So this is me, guys. I am so happy. I am so excited. I'm going to look after this, and I'm so looking forward to using them in the gym and hearing good sound music. So yeah, thank you for sticking with me, listening, staying tuned. Thank you for all your support. And you know what, I actually got feedback on my last vlog. The picture ratio, yeah, it was not wide, so it was almost pretty much like TikTok or shorts form, which is I don't remember the ratio, but I'm still learning to use my Osmo camera, so I'm playing around with settings, and I'm going to make sure that I've got the correct settings when I'm filming. At the moment, I have done that, so hopefully we won't have those issues again. I want to continue to give you good content, good picture quality, and yeah, so thank you so much for sharing, liking, subscribing, and sticking with me. I will catch you guys on the next vlog. I know I promised you guys story time, so definitely that will be the next vlog. We'll do some story time, and yeah, I'll be sharing a good story. So stay tuned, stay connected. God bless you.